What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm over by Nesbet's garage. Nesbet is one of the baddest welders you can ever think of. So remember I said I wanted some more sound out of the Audi. So I'm gonna remove one of the cats, but the way I'm gonna remove it is a way that I can put it back if I want to. So we're gonna remove one of the cats, see how it sounds. If it's not good, we're gonna move another one. But we're gonna make sure everything can go back still. So yo, we have some sick cars over here working on. Most of them race cars because you do race manifolds, race everything, just weld up everything. You know what I mean? So let's go check it out. Yo! Oh yeah, there.
Hi.
Bad, man. Machine. What time this run? 10s?
10-1.
10-1?
Yeah.
Daddy?
Yes. Right. Everything over here turn a race car. Nobody turn me hard in a race car, no brother. Nobody. Yeah, but miss him, we need to get back into the scene. Yeah, man, I bring it back, man. For sure. Yes, we need to come back in the scene, so if I even this. Yeah, man.
Okay.
I miss it every day, man. Every time it I keep. So if you never see on the Audi Q7 before, yeah, I can see what on that look. Hey, no, not coming under this.
No, man. Yeah. Understand.
Alright, so one cat, two. That one, you see that one I can just.
I don't want anyone to come out.
Yeah, man. I have one pan, but you would require welding if I go put it here, so.
Pan come off as dual?
Eh?
The pan we have come off.
Yeah, man, you go in as one and come off as dual. So the pipe I'm bringing up, we go bend it up.
Well, we have pipe with angle now, can.
Hmm?
I have pipe with angle.
Oh, okay.
But if not, a pipe out without for to get an angle.
Oh, okay.
Easier if we have a pipe, a mandrel bin, just use that and done.
Mm-hmm.
This time.
Alright. We're diff. When? Eh?
Airland?
Each heel. So it come out as one, and then it goes as double.
Oh, and two white.
So later on there is a reveal. The reveal on an Audi, and it's an electric Audi. What are the odds? I'm making this car louder, and I'm going to reveal. They're going to reveal an electric Audi, a silent car. So we're going to check that out later. So stick around for that if you're interested to see that as well. You should have the lower start, yeah, yes. Straight pipe.
Push one start, right?
Yeah.
Do it now,
No, yeah.
I get one leg and go down and start it.
Guys, I completely forgot to do a before and after sound check. I completely forgot, and the exhaust is already pulled down and all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a start, like a straight pipe start with the exhaust cut and pull in the middle, and then I'll do one when we put back the exhaust together. touch the gas. Press the gas. Press the gas. That's so money, man. Alright, okay, okay. Yo. Yo, we definitely need to straight pipe it. We need to leave it straight pipe. The thing sound wicked. My God. This definitely not going to work. And then another one here. The car sounds so good without these. So I'm gonna replace those with this. Yep, I'm gonna replace those with it. And guys, I'm sure I'm not gonna like how it sounds. I don't think it's gonna make a big difference. We're just taking off one of the resonator. We have to go straight pipe. We have to go straight pipe with it. So we're gonna buy order some pipes, some material, and then we'll probably come back next week and we'll do that because it sounds damn good. Yeah. It's gonna be super good. My God. Not change. Eh? Not change. Give it a rev. I mean, it's a little bit louder, but give it a rev, give it a rev, give it a rev. No, sir, I see you. Okay. Turn it off. Alright, so we learned so removing one cat don't do anything. So we have to remove 3 cats. We have to remove 3 cats and no dog. Yeah. Yeah, so the big drum and the big drum won't come out. So we're gonna remove the big drum, put in the resonator that I bought, and then it should sound really good. So if you want, I mean, it have a little bit more bass in it, a little bit. So if that's what you're looking for, that can work. But to get a nicer sound, have to remove all the cats. Big thanks to Nesbeth for helping out. Even though we didn't get the car, it didn't make a change in the car, but we have some plans. We're gonna do something better to it. I'm gonna make sure we get some sound out of it. It still sound stock. Still sound stock. I don't know why Audi put that that resonator there. Still trying to figure out why was it there because this don't sound any different. Alright guys, we ran out of time over by Nesbeth's garage. I just called him this morning and said, yo, I'm gonna come link you. So went over there, didn't want to take up too much of his time, so we didn't get to build it. We have to build an entire exhaust system. We only get to chop out the middle part that we thought was gonna make a little difference, but it didn't. So we have to make some plans to do the entire system. So yeah, we're gonna head out. So I've made a decision not to go to the reveal, the car show, the car thing tonight, guys, because whenever you go to these events, when they're revealing a car, how much time can you get with that car when there are so many people there at these car shows? So I decided not to go. I'll just go by Audi. I can just go by the showroom and just have the time to myself with the car one day in the week, instead of going to an event where everybody's rushing to try and go in the car, to sit in the car and all that stuff. It's just too much chaos. So I made the decision not to go. I won't get to see the first look or whatever it is, but I can just go to the showroom and look at the car. Make sense? All right, so guys, I'm kind of weighing my mind on like decals for my cars, because you know I want to start putting like a logo on my cars. And I know Jamaicans are like, yo, don't make them mark your car. Which part of my car them can't hide? I have no car. I don't own one car that you can drive on the road and wonder if it's me. All my cars look one of a kind. So how can I hide my cars? It's just a mindset, just a mindset that people have, and I have a car channel. And I don't mind having my cars, you know, looking unique, looking different. You know, so I'm weighing my mind on decals for the cars, a Asafa sub 10 car's logo. I order some stuff on Amazon. I mean, the greatest thing about these things is like you can stick it on the car. If you don't like it, just take it off. That's the greatest thing. So ordered like just initials like ASC, and I'm not sure if I like how it look, but I'm gonna try stick it on the car. You guys can make a comment and let me know. I'm wondering where to put it on the car, if I should like put it on the back glass or put it on the fender or maybe on the door. I'm gonna stick it on the car and see how it look. I'm thinking right here. I think the design can be a lot better. The design can be a lot better. It's just a ASC. And I don't mind if printing companies reach out to me and because I actually have a logo, it's on the screen right now, but I just need a printing company to print it out. So this is just like a tester, just to see what a logo will look like on the car. Let me see if I can get this straight. Put it closer to the door. That looks straight. Look like an army sticker. I wish it was this color, silver. Probably I need to order it in silver. Yeah, it's tough, you know, but it's tough. It's tough, but I'm not sure. It's tough still. I'm not lie, but I'm not sure. Guys, let me know what you think. So this is the orange. This is it in orange. I have it on the other side as well. Huh. I don't mind it, guys, honestly. Oh, alright, guys. I'm waiting for all of these comments. Waiting for all these comments. I think it looks cool. I don't mind it. It would look better in silver, like the silver that is on the door right there. But I don't mind it.